How to delete Facebook activity log history. So now go ahead and launch the Facebook application. Then tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon located on the upper right corner. Then tap the gear icon, which can also be found on the top right corner. And now scroll down until you find your information section. So under this section, select Activity Log option. In this page, you will find different activity categories for easy navigation. So say for example, you want to delete your post. So just tap the drop-down arrow button beside your activity across Facebook. Then tap the drop-down arrow button beside post, and then select your post check-in photos and videos option. So here you will find all of your posts. So to delete, just tap the ellipsis icon beside that post, then select Move to Recycle Bin option and tap Move to Recycle Bin to confirm. But if you want to delete all of your posts, just tap the box beside all, then tap the Recycle Bin option found below. So to confirm, just tap Move to Trash. So this process may take time, and so all you need to do is wait. So that is how you delete Facebook activity log history. Thank you and have a great day.